Are you looking for a way to integrate ChatGPT into Excel in a simple and easy way? Thanks to AI, you will be able to use Excel more effectively every day. Ready to start? So let's see how we can simply add the AI added formula editor in Excel right now. Open your Excel sheet and in the Home tab, you will see an Adds In button in Excel 2024. Click on this option and then type AI added formula editor in search field. Here it is. First on the list, there are several AI tools for Excel. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. Here we will focus on AI added formula editor, which is one of the paid ones, but you can try it out for free as well. So let's add it by clicking on the add button. Wait for the Excel to install this tool. Now you can see the tools interface on the right. A simple registration is sufficient to use this tool. Just fill in your email address, create a password, and that's it. You will get an email, and after verification, you can log in and start using the tool right away. I have already got an account, so I will just log in and start now. This tool is paid, so if you click up here on your account and select price plans, you can do the free version, but there is a maximum of 9 AI requests per week. However, this option is great to get familiar with how AI in Excel works and try it out. In case you like it, you can use it without limitation for $5.99 per month. Let's have a look at some specific example which will show how we can use this amazing tool, AI added formula editor. You can use your own words and there is no need to speak excellent English at all. Let's say we need to find out the sum of the values in the range of cell E2 to E21. You can easily see the number of cell by clicking on it and checking it here. In the field, describe your formula. For example, we can type sum of cells E2 to E21. Click on the submit button. You will see the formula for the function below. Now we can click on the target cell. We use this arrow to copy the formula into the selected cell conveniently. Let's look at another example. Suppose that we want to know how many values are greater than 3000 in cell E2 to E321. We can write it in the description. How many values are greater than 3000 from cell E2 to E321. We press submit again and here is our formula. We copy it in the target cell and we can see that there are 15 values greater than 3000 in this column. This is how AI can help you at work while using Excel. You can generate even more complicated formulas just by saying in a simple words what you need. It's quite convenient to close the pane with the X button. To open the editor, go to the AI added formula editor tab and click on this button here. To remove the formula editor completely, right click on the first option and then click on remove add-in. So are you ready to give AI in Excel a try? Share your thoughts and opinion in the comment section below. We will be happy to hear from you. Thanks for watching the video and I will see you in the next video.